let us tell you why you should come to the Spring Fair.
Looking at displays, it just gives you some idea what you can do.
To me, the joy of coming here is seeing different ways of planting.
So, the first one, this place is packed out with garden inspiration.
All the exhibitions and the displays gives you so much inspiration what you can do at home.
Nice people, we've been chatting to loads of people already. It's great.
It's my highlight of the calendar. I love it. It's something I look forward to every year.
The second thing, there is loads of shopping. And look, this is shopping that I love.
Done a good walk round and said we like something on probably every stand.
What fascinated me was there is a plant creche. So for all of you that want to buy baskets full of plants, you don't have to carry them around.
And there's plenty of expert advice.
It was really interesting actually. I was interested in her take on education.
I think everybody should come to the Spring Fair. There are plants galore everywhere you look. The most beautiful little gardens to look at.
Very friendly and welcoming, lots of knowledge about plants and things. Any questions we had?
And as part of your day out, you get access to the Beaulieu attraction and all that goes with it.
Go on the monorail a lot, and I come and look at the gardens.
I think the Spring Fair is good for both amateurs and for professionals as well. There's something for everybody.
Ultimately, it's a great day out.